This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a multi-function display, cruise control, a CD player, performance tires, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.